when I started teaching law in Australia, there was an enormous move at that point to try and utterly deconstruct legal education and change it from the ground up so it did produce students who were willing to practice law. So I see some schools and some teachers in the US doing exactly what you need to get people practice ready, and I've taught skills for a lot of my career as well as doctorate and theory. But I don't think enough of us are doing enough about doing that, and I think we really, really, really need to do more because it has an enormous effects on all sorts of people. And law schools, I think, should be and can do more to get students ready for practice. But for example, in Australia, you don't sit a bar exam in order to be licensed to practice law. You do 6 months of simulation-based intensive practical legal training between your law degree and entering practice. So you've done everything from drafting a will, trying a small criminal case, probating a will, doing all sorts of things. I also do believe, however, that every law school in the country should make sure that every graduate has had a course not just in written legal analysis and reasoning, research and basic advocacy, but in client interviewing, client counselling, negotiation, ADR. That's not hard to do. And I think if a school isn't making sure that every student has those fundamentals, either by taking a sequence like that or doing a clinic, right, that we're not doing our job properly.